Alright, when we're doing an easy bent on barrel vault direct to deck, we're going to go ahead and cut our hole out approximately 29 inches by 5 inches. We recommend putting a screen over the top, that way we don't get any insects inside the attic. And then we're going to go ahead and take our easy bent, and it's going to install just like a panel. Go ahead and put our fasteners in the front nose and in the back shelf. Now before we put our next panel over the top, you got a couple different options. You can go ahead and take our bird stop, and you can go ahead and just fold it over on itself, as you see here. You can go ahead and lay this in caulking, and put this on top here, and then bring my next panel over the top. Or we can go ahead and use our M-Seal, and go ahead and put that across the top. And then my next panel will sandwich into that one.